Shashamana Mataram Vande Mataram Suprajosna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Sumadulasobini Suhasini Sumadurabhashini Sukadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Thank you, dear students. To celebrate the 75th day, we will now have the flag hoisting of the tricolor, the most solemn moment of the celebration. Requesting Brother P.T. Sebastian, Victor Olsen's High School, to hoist the flag, assisted by Mr. Manna sir and followed by Brother Bala. The flag hoisting will be followed by national anthem. Requesting all of you to remain standing. School, attention! School, salute!
Adinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttar Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uttarachalam Siddharanga Jana Shubha Name Jare Tava Shiva Shishamani Gaye Tava Jaya Data Janagana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He.
May this national flag always fly higher and higher, lifting our aspirations and dreams along with it. Thank you, brother. On this grand occasion, it is fitting for us to be reminded of our responsibilities towards our nation. Requesting Reverend Brother Bala, Primary Superintendent, to deliver the Independence Day message and greetings.
Respected Brother P.T. Sebastian, our rector, esteemed staff members, and my dear students, good morning and wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today, we are all here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the times of anguish of being enslaved under a colonial rule. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a challenging task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. That is why we remember them, all of those who have fought and served, and they left us that legacy, and we in turn commemorate the sacrifice, and thus we shall ask ourselves what legacy we shall leave for those who follow us. Dear students, this day is a proud moment for all of us. It reminds us of the pain of being enslaved, of the strength in unity, divine sacrifice, and it gives an example that some wars can be won with non-violence and of all things. And it makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. Therefore, it is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Keeping the sacrifice of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, dear brother, for your inspiring and enlightening message. Sharing the sentiment of every student and with pride well in his heart, we have Master Shafi Ahmed of 8th standard to deliver the declamation speech of Shri Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting that this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and to the still larger cause of humanity. At the dawn of history, India started on her unending quest and trackless centuries which are filled with her striving and the grandeur of her success and failures. Through good and ill fortunes alike, she has never lost sight of that quest or has forgotten the ideals which gave her strength. We end today a period of ill fortune and India discovers herself again. The achievement we celebrate today is but a step, an opening of an opportunity to the greater triumphs and achievements that await us. Are we brave enough and wise enough to grasp this opportunity and accept the challenges of future? Freedom and power brings responsibility. The responsibility rests upon this assembly, a sovereign body representing the sovereign people of India. Before the birth of freedom, we have endured all the pains of labor, and our hearts are heavy with the memory of this sorrow. Some of those pains continue even now. Nevertheless, the past is over, and it is the future that beckons to us now. The future is not the one of ease or resting, but of incessant striving, so that we may fulfill the pledges we have so often taken and the one we shall take today. The service of India is the service of the millions who suffer. It means the ending of poverty and ignorance and disease and, and inequality of opportunity. Jai Hind.
Thank you, dear Shafi. It was wonderful. Online competitions were held to celebrate Independence Day. Here are the results of the elocution, drawing and painting and singing competition of classes 5th to 10th. Here we have Taikasha teacher to announce the names.
Morning, everyone. Pandemic failed of connection, but the power of God's loving hand continuing to bless us and us. I'm extremely pleased that our school. I'm extremely pleased that our school was able to successfully conduct various virtual competitions at all levels in connection to Independence Day. Congratulations to all the participants. Here are the results of elocution competition. Starting with 8th classes, Sonal from 8E bagged the first prize in elocution competition. Second prize goes to Kundaviti Harshitaram from 8B. Third prize winner is Safir Ahmed from 8B. Round of applause. Moving on to 9th classes. First prize is backed by Shraddha Patel of 9C. Second prize goes to Renu Priya of 9A. Third prize goes to K. Vaishnavi of 9B. Round of applause. Now coming to 10th classes. Mohammad Abdul Wasif from 10P bagged the first prize. Second prize goes to M. Bhuvana Reddy of 10th B and Mariam Said of 10C. Third prize winners are D. Hiranmai and Natasha Veros from 10th B. Congratulations, children. Your hard work paid off. Now over to Mr. Sunny for drawing and painting competition results.
And painting competition was conducted for all the classes on the occasion of Independence Day. Congratulations for all the participants. Here are the results for 8th class. Our topic was flag hoisting on Red Fort. Class 8, first place, Prajwala from 8A. Second place, Syed Arman, 8th D. Third place, Ali Zain, 8th C. Classes for 9, first place, G. Nihita, 9A. Second place, M. Lasia, 9A. Third place, Janvi, 9E. Consolation, Diksha Agarwal from 9th C. From 10th standard, first place, Ayanullah, 10th C. Second place, Divisha Lohia, 10th C. Third place, Anurag, 10th B. Consolation, P. Suma Bharti, 10th B. Hearty congratulations for all the prize winners and for the participants. Thank you. Over to Mr. Anthony Lawrence.
Good morning, everyone. For the singing competition, here are the results for classes 8 to 10. From the 8th classes, the first place goes to S. Mrigang of 8th D. Second place to Shayan of 8A. And third place to S. Mayan. Round of applause for them. Coming to the 9th classes, the first place goes to Yasika Thara of 9th A. Stalin takes the second place from 9th F. And Agnes back to third place from 9th B. From the 10th classes, we have Shraddha of 10th D who backs the first place. Natasha Veros of 10th B, the second. And Hafsa Benazir of 10th C backs the third place. A big round of applause for all the winners. Please note, your students, that the certificates will be available in the school office. As and when you find time, please come and collect it from the school office between 9 to 12:30. Okay, if they are not available in the school office, you can also contact Ms. Celine Reeves in the library. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all the winners. I would like to express a few words of gratitude. Firstly, I thank God for giving us this opportunity to celebrate our Independence Day. Heartfelt thanks to Reverend Brother Richard P.T. Sebastian and Brother Bala, Primary Superintendent, for the support and encouragement. Sincere thanks to the PTs for conducting this celebration, and special thanks to the technical team for the live telecast of this event. Thanks to all the NCC cadets and participants who are with us, and we appreciate all of you who have joined us online. A big thank you, one and all. On this day, let us all remind ourselves to to strive to build a better, stronger, and safer India, where all life lives in a peace and harmony. A salute to all the martyrs who have lost their lives protecting India. India is the best. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. You join with me. मेरा भारत, मेरा भारत, मेरा भारत। जय हिंद। थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल।